Hi everyone, good morning, good morning, good morning. Once again, this is Prof. Jericho Irinco, also known as si Daddy Jake TV, ang daddy ng bayan. Yan, I am your gold affiliate business partner here in Live Good. And for today's video, for those people who are asking, may kinikita ba talaga sa Live Good? And can we see some proof of income na talagang back office of Live Good showing the income of an affiliate? Alright, so for today's video, I am very proud to you guys to share this video recording of my upline, Coach Avilma Sabulao. It's gonna be a sharing of her income or kwento yung journey niya dito sa Live Good, kung paano po siya kumita. Let me share to you this guys para makita nyo po kung legit nga ba talaga, may kita nga ba talaga, may future nga ba talaga, yayaman nga ba talaga tayo sa Live Good. Yung mga questions at the back of our mind. So let's dive in to this video guys and focus lang po tayo. Let's go!
Hello, good morning, good morning, good morning. Yours truly is a platinum member of Live Good, Coach V Sabulao. I put myself into this video at mag-share lamang po ako sa inyo na pwede bang kumita kahit nasa bahay ka lang gamit ang iyong cellphone? Okay po. So just before I proceed into my presentation, into my sharing, today po is April 16. This is my 64th day. I joined Live Good last February 10 of 2023. 64 days pa lang po ako sa Live Good and the result was totally amazing. Okay po. So before I go into this, i-share ko lamang po sa inyo kung ikaw ba, Vilma, ay masaya? Vilma, masaya ka ba o masayang masaya? Actually, I could say, I am so thankful to God na dinala niyo po ako dito sa Live Good in His perfect timing. February 10 was the time na ayoko na po talagang mag-network dahil nag-decide na po ako na I want to retire. But God impressed to me na dito niya po ako nilagay. That's why I made a commitment to, okay, I have to pursue. And I prayed to Him na sabi ko, Lord, kung meron kang isinarang pinto, meron pong bintanang magbubukas. And I asked Him and I recited to Him, diba Lord, sabi mo sa Jeremiah 29:11, for I know the plans that I have for you, the plans to prosper you and not to harm you, the plans to give you hope and a future. I claim that, Lord. Alam niyo po ba na napakabuti pa ng Panginoon dahil after no nagpray ako na yon, ang bilis po ng kanyang kasagutan. When I wake up around 1 o'clock, past 1 o'clock noong February 10 na yon, alam niyo kung ano nakita ko? The power landing page of Live Good that was sent to me by my upline who is now a diamond with Live Good. He is the one that brought Live Good in the Philippines, no other than Coach Fernan Santiago. Upline, thank you so much for bringing Live Good to the Philippines and bringing Live Good to our lives. So, alam nyo, sobrang nagpasalamat po ako, hindi po nagkamali yung instinct ko. Bakit? Nung nakita ko po yung power landing page na yon, I immediately sign up. Ang sabi ko sa upline ko, please call me now. And then right there and then, na in love ako sa nakita ko. Ang sabi ko, hulog ng langit ito. What a brilliant platform. What an amazing platform is this. You know why did I say so? Dahil nung panahon po ng pandemic, okay? Nung panahon po ng pandemic, I was given a quotation. Actually, nagbayad po ako ng mga reservation. How many thousands of pesos din po yun. Just to automate my business. Ang quotation po sa akin ay pwede akong gumastos ng almost 300,000 pesos. But with Live Good, $49.95 affiliate member ka na. You are joining into a club membership method na after the sa $49.95 one time mo lang yan babayaran, and then every month you will be paying a subscription fee of $9.95. At ano po ang ibabalik sa atin po ng Live Good. So the point of sharing this video, gusto ko po kayong itour at gusto ko pong mag-share sa inyo ng konting idea na pwede ka palang kumita kahit nasa bahay ka lang gamit ang iyong cellphone. Okay, so alam niyo po, let me just share to you na bakit ko nasabi na sobrang hindi po ako nagkamali sa instinct ko. Kasi right there and then, I sign up na hindi ko po nakikita ang compensation plan. Hindi pa po ako nakakapakinig ng presentation. I sign up immediately after nag-usap namin ni upline Fernan. quickly. And then on that night, I attended the Zoom. Nasa 60 to 70 pa lang po kami nung time na yon. And you know what? Right now, umaabot na po kami ng almost 1,000 every night. And imagine, take note, it's 2 session. It's 7 o'clock and it's 9 o'clock, Monday to Friday. And during Saturday, 7 o'clock, dire-diretso na po ng recognition and training po yan. So it's really non-stop, tuloy-tuloy po yun. Okay, so, bakit ko nasabi na hulog ng langit ito? Kasi grabe, this is an amazing platform na you need to discover. Marami pong karaparaanan para makilala nyo po si Live Good. Okay? So you just can go to my timeline. Andyan po yung video presentation. Andyan din po yung Zoom link ng aming pong daily Zoom. You can join in there. Okay po? And then, I have posted my Power Landing page. Dito po sa aking video na to, pwede nyo po yung panoorin. And then, mag-pre-enroll po kayo. Wala pong bayad ang pre-enrollment na yun. And then, after you decided, you watch all the videos and attended the Zoom presentation, then that's the time you can upgrade your account and become an affiliate member of Live Good. So now, allow me to share to you what happened. Sa sobrang excitement ko, alam niyo po, in 1 day and a half, I become silver. In 1 week time, I become gold. At ako po ay nag-number 95 sa global leaderboard ng Live Good, having 30 directs after 1 week. And then in 38 days, after 28 days, ako po ay nag-platinum at pumalo po ako ng number 21 sa global leaderboard, having 100 directs during those time. And praise God, hallelujah, I'm so blessed na dinala po ako dito talaga po ng Panginoon. And that is the reason behind why I am sharing this to you, to be a blessing to many people. So, gusto ko po kayong i-tour ngayon, kaya po ako nag-record. Gusto ko po ipakita sa inyo kung gaano ka-sophisticated po si Live Good. Okay? Hindi po ako magdedetalye ng presentations about the compensation plan and everything kasi marami pong venue para mapakinggan po ninyo yan. Dito po sa aking timeline, you can check on the video presentation recorded and there is also a Zoom link na pwede po kayo mag-attend 7 o'clock, 9 o'clock, Monday to Saturday. So, ayan po. So, now, bubuksan na po natin, mag-tour po tayo doon sa aking pong back office. Okay, so this is my back office. Okay po, welcome Maria Vilma Sabulao, you're in control. So, okay, this is the membership, the products, my info, my team, okay po. So, ang aking pong K-team, order history, my referrals, dyan po makikita yung mga taong nag-pre-enroll po sa akin. And then, ang bubuksan ko po sa inyo, papakita ko po sa inyo ang leaderboard. Ito po yung top 100 top enrollees in the whole world. Ayan po. So, the leaderboard, below is the list of our top 100 enrollers and how many members they have enrolled. Okay po. So, of course, the number 1 is Jeffrey Aman from US, 615 directs. Okay po. So, 100 po na mga affiliate members ang nandito. And praise God, andito po ang aking pangalan. I am number 32 with 105 directs. Okay po. And then, wow, ang upline Fernan ko is number 36, having 98 directs po. So, yan po. And then, mga diamond na po yan sila. And we have our newly promoted diamond, Harold Pangan. So, nandito din po siya sa top 100 leaderboard. Grabe, no? So, nasaan na si Partner Harold? Number 85 po siya. Partner Harold, congratulations. Susunod kami sa inyong yakap. So, that's the leaderboard. This is the top 100 leaderboard of Live Good. Now, ang ipakikita ko po sa inyo, paano ba kumita kahit nandito ka lang po sa bahay? So, share ko lamang po sa inyo na totoong-totoo po si Live Good. So, this is view rank. This is my rank. Okay, so, I'm heading to Diamond. We have already 1,913 affiliates. Ang kailangan po para mag-diamond is 2,500. Pero nagkataon po na sobrang lakas po ng aking pong power leg. It's 1,300. Oh my God. Ang dami ko pa pong tatrabahuin. But you know, the systems of duplication is running and I know in a matter of time, magiging diamond din. Si Lord lang ang makapagsasabi kung kailan po yon. So, this is my rank. Okay po. Now, another thing na gusto ko pong ipakita sa inyo is itutour ko po kayo doon sa earnings. Hindi po kalakihan pero masayang masaya po ako. Alam mo kung bakit? Nasa bahay lang ako. Hindi po ako lumabas, hindi ako gumastos ng pakape, or hindi ako namasahe ng malayo. Sa bahay lang ako, nasa 4 na sulok lang po ako ng aking kwarto. Okay po ba? So yan, on my first week, nag-join po ako ng February 10. Ito po yung best friend ko na sumali sa akin. On that day, sinabayan po ako, Miss Leia Go, this is you. Kumita po ako ng $25. Yung 1 week ko po talagang kita is $927.5. Second week, $421. $309. And then, $516. Ayan po, nung nag-platinum po ako, it's $1,191. And then, yung aking first matrix income, ito po yung $152. Ang matrix ko po is $50. Paano ba yung matrix na yan? Kasi sa Live Good, pwede po kayong kumita ng now income or future income. So, sa future income po, yung mga taong nalaglag po sa inyong organizations. Pero sa akin, wala po tong spillover. Talagang trinabaho ko po ito. Sa lahat ng tao na sa organizations ko, babayaran po tayo ni Live Good ng 0.25 cents po. Ayan, dyan po nanggaling ang aking pong $50.25. So from February 10 to 28, I have 200 members na nag-renew ng kanila pong subscription nung March 1 to 31, kaya meron po akong $50.25. Ayan. So, dito po sa matching bonus, nakakaloka. Mas malaki po ang matching bonus kesa po sa akin pong matrix bonus. Paano po nangyayari yon? Sa lahat po ng directs ko na kumita po sa kanilang matrix, 50% po nun ay napunta po sa akin. Nakikita niyo po yan. Ayan. So, ang pinakamalaki po dito, yung aking pong anak na si Vienna Rexy na hindi naman po siya nag-enroll, na spillover lamang po sa kanya, $35.25 and I get 50% of that. So, yung aking pong isa din po, ito po yung aking BFF na sumali sa akin right there and then on that very first day, Leia Go, nag-earn po siya ng $28. Okay? Na spillover po sa kanya yung malalakas kong group. And of course, yung powerful leader ko po from Cebu, partner Charlene Caparoso, gold member. Siya po yung kauna-unahang nag-silver po sa aking organization. She earned $23 and I made 50% of that. Sa lahat po ng mga directs ko, nag-earn po ako ng 50% doon po sa kanilang pong mga matching bonus. And sa kanila pong matrix. Okay? So, that's the matrix bonus na nakakatuwa po dahil 18 days lang po I made that amount. So, what else? Gusto ko lamang pong ipakita sa inyo na si Live Good. Okay, nasaan na po ba ako? Ayan. So, 152, yan po yung na-earn ko sa akin pong matrix. At ang nakakatuwa, dito po sa 1,191, bakit kumita po ako ng malaki dyan? Kasi nag-enroll po ako, nag-massive enrollment po ako dyan. So, ayan po yung affiliate referral bonus na 20% po, dyan po pumapalo yung mga rebates po. At mayroon pa rin po tayong 10% nakita po sa ating pong 10%, 5%, 5%, ayan po. Pakita ko lamang po sa inyo, no? So, that's how it works. Grabe, no? Kikita ka up to the 13th level. Ako po yata kumita po ako up to the 13th level if I'm not mistaken. Or 9th level. So, ganun po yon. Okay? So, it's very, very transparent if you want to know. But allow me to share to you yung nakakatuwa po. Yung nakakatuwa po kasi itong 2 weeks na to mula nung nag-platinum ako ng March 20, okay, hindi na po ako nag-enroll muna at inayos ko muna yung systems of duplication ng aking organization. But you know what is amazing? Kahit hindi ako nag-enroll, nagkaroon na po ako talaga ng passive income kasi sa Live Good, nag-unilevel po tayo. So this is my 10% na matching na unilevel sa second level ko po. Okay? So, ito na po yung mga in-enroll ng downline ko. Okay po? So, ayan, kumikita po tayo dyan ng $4, $2, 80 cents, hanggang sa ilang level po ito. Because I am platinum, this is up to what level? Grabe. So, nakikita nyo po yan. Jump po nang galing yan. Wala po akong in-enroll. Hindi po ako nag-enroll. Okay po. Pero nag-unilevel po tayo. So, that's the back office of Live Good. Okay? But right now, balik enrollment mode na naman po ulit ako at balik hataw palipad ng landing page na naman po muli. So, this is, this is it. Okay po? Yan po ang back office ni Live Good. Kaya nakakatuwa dahil Ito po yung credit wallet. Diyan po namin nilalagay po muna yung aming income. Okay? So, ako po, hindi po ako gumamit ng bank account. So, you just use the credit wallet in transactions of purchases. Diyan lamang po yan. Okay. So, mga friends, ito po yung back office ko. Sa susunod ko na po itutur sa inyo yung iba. Pero pinakita ko po sa inyo ano po ang nilalaman ng paano po ba kumita sa Live Good ng kahit nandito ka lang sa bahay. So in a matter of 8 weeks, okay po, I am 64 days in Live Good. The total earnings that I got kinompute ko po ito, I made $4,600 plus na nandito lamang po ako sa bahay. So, 2 months, hindi pa po kasama yung last week na income ko dahil nag-cut off po kami ng last Friday at yun po ay sisweldohin namin next Friday. So, that's it. So, I hope na may na-learn po tayo. Na-excite po ba kayo? Grabe no, nasa bahay ka lang, pwede ka palang mag-earn ng income. So, I just hope na na-inspire ko kayo sa pinakita ko po sa inyo. Kaya, inaanyayahan ko po kayo na manood po kayo sa mga video presentations na nandyan po nakapost sa amin pong timeline at inaanyayahan ko din po kayo na mag-attend po kayo ng aming Zoom presentations. Nandyan din po yung Zoom link, nakapost na po dyan, and you can just send me a private message, okay po, mag-PM po kayo, and I do encourage you, i-click nyo po yung power landing page ko na https www.livegoodtour.com/eaglev99 at mag-pre-enroll po kayo doon, walang bayad ang pre-enrollment. You make a decision after po kayo ay nakapag-attend na ng mga presentations and you find it out that Live Good really can be a vehicle to change your life for the better. And might this is the breakthrough that you are been waiting for, okay? So I know that everyone is praying for success, okay? So you have to be faithful to your faith. So this might be the opportunity na talagang nag-aantay na po sa inyo para trabahuin nyo. So thank you so much for watching at I know na sana po nakatulong po ito sa inyo at nag-make sense po ang pagpupuyat ko ngayon because it's already 2 o'clock in the morning. Patulog na po ako. Have a blessed Sunday to everyone and God bless. Bye! Thank you!
Alright, so thank you so much, Coach Gilma Sabulao, for sharing your back office to us. And you know guys, so here in Live Good is we are very transparent. Ako ngayon ay nasa gold in rank. So as an affiliate of Live Good, I'm in gold in rank and over 80% done deal with the requirements for platinum. So I will be becoming platinum. So I will be sharing to you my back office very very soon. But actually, ang plano ko nga sana, mag-share ng back office ko if I'll become a diamond. Kasi medyo healthy na masyado. Sobrang healthy. Kaso nga lang, hindi natin alam, and ang iba, baka hindi nila ma-appreciate, kasi sobrang laki talaga. Sobrang laki talaga. If you really want to change your life for the better, if you want to get your dreams and everything, if you want to have a time freedom and financial freedom, the solution for that problem or for your dreams is Live Good. Yeah, you heard it right. Kasi you know what guys, ako nakikita niyo ako patawa-tawa pero hindi niyo alam kung ano yung testimony ko. Basta very very soon abangan niyo po ang aking testimony why I am doing Live Good. So at least meron po tayong nilalook up. So ngayon guys, maraming salamat, and again for those partners who are looking for a presentations using a back office, showing the income, kung talaga may income tayo sa Live Good. This is the video you're looking for. So once again, this is Coach Jericho Erico, also known as si Daddy Jake TV. Again and again, balik-balik po kayo dito sa channel na marami po kayong malalaman about Live Good, how to build your network and Live Good, yung lahat ng mga questions natin, how to navigate your back office, how to share your landing page, how to transfer a wallet to another credit wallet, how to lock in position using credit wallet, how to lock in position using credit cards, or everything na mga how nyo po. Nandito po yan sa channel natin. So, if I were you, you can also of course, subscribe to my channel para may notification po kayo every time I uploaded a new video. So, again, thank you so much guys. And if you are not yet member of Live Good, you are not affiliate of Live Good, so this is the right time for you guys to send message to me. And I'm very much willing to, of course, to assist you to do Live Good business. And as you can see here guys, yan, nagpa-pop up ho dyan, ang aking landing page. So that's my landing page yan. www.allivegoodtour.com, si Daddy Jake TV. And ito, nagsusumigaw kanina pa, join now, join now, join now. So guys, i-message niyo po ako and I'm willing to help you. This is the answer to your prayers to become financially free and para matupad po lahat ng mga pangarap natin sa buhay. And be the channel of blessings to others. So that's why, guys, I am inviting you to join force with us, to be one of us, to spread the love, the positivity, the light and hope, not only here in the Philippines, but global, all over the world. You heard it right. Hindi lang po tayo dito sa Philippines. We are operating 223. Saan ka nakakita? Nasa bahay ka lang. You are just in the four corners of your room and you are generating dollars and you are operating 223 countries. Ni wala kang binabayaran na. Wala kang pamasahe, wala kang pinakape, wala kang pinakain, walang presentation. Just share your landing page and everything will follow. Bam, 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 bam. Alright, so again, bye guys, and thank you so much for watching. Bye everyone.